So we have different participants. These are like the main countries that are joining us today. So people from Peru, Brazil, Colombia, Spain, Mexico, Cuba, Ecuador, Venezuela, Uruguay. So please forgive me if your country is not there. I will do my best. Please complain in the coffee hour. I will update the slides. Okay. So we have put this like amazing program scheduled for today. So we are starting with the opening remarks until 8:50. So I guess we are great on time. So then we will have our first keynote speakers, Octavia. Thanks for like accepting our invitation. Then we will have the first block of oral presentations. So we have 3 oral presentations. We will have like 7 minutes per person, and then like following like a 3-minute question block. So it's a little bit different from like actual main CVPR conference, but I guess it will be great for like get to know like each one of the presentations best. After that, we have our first coffee break at 10:05 until 10:20. After what we will have our second keynote, Arturo Deza from Peru. Arturo, it's not here yet? Not yet. Okay. I'm starting to sweat. Then we'll have our second oral block, sorry. So same strategy as the first one. So blocks of 10 minutes, 7 minutes for presentation, 3 minutes for questions. And then after that, we will have our lunch. So lunch will be served, depending if you choose sandwich or salad. So we will pick our lunch until 1. And then at 1 p.m., we will reconvene here for our third keynote. So third keynote will be Adriana Romero. So Adriana will join us for keynote number 3. Then we will have our general sponsors and mentoring hour. So this year is like a great mentoring team that has put together something like months ago. So we will have that discussion and sponsor hour at 3:45. After that, we will have our second coffee break, and then we will join with the poster session. So for poster session, it's great that it will be in this block as well, 4th floor. So we will have almost like 2 hours for posters. So it will be great to like discuss a little bit more our findings. And then after that, please be alert that after poster, we will reconvene here for the motivation talk. So it's like a new block, I will say, that we will have in this workshop. And we expect the best from that. So please join us after that. And then we will have the closing remarks of the workshop. So just be alert. It seems to be like a long day. Please drink and hydrate. It will be great to have you here. So this is a little bit more information about our keynote speakers. So Octavia Camps will start just in a minute. Adriana Romero with generative models as queryable world models, and then Arturo Deza as well on the quest of building the world's hardest benchmark of autonomous driving. So thanks for accepting our invitation, all keynote speakers. So just some self-promotion of people that have been working a lot of your free time, not too much free, but a lot of good efforts to put this workshop together. Of course, sponsored by LXAI. So we have Niels, Rodolfo, and myself. So Niels from Peru, Rodolfo from Cuba, myself from Colombia, working as operation and logistic chairs. Then we have also our starting program committee chairs, Will from Brazil, Juan from Mexico, and Andres Villa from Colombia. Thank you guys. You did an amazing job. Presentation chairs, so you guys working hard today. So Cisco, Francisco, and Jorge, thanks for accepting the invitation and your hard work as well. Then we have our PR team, excellent PR team, Ulises or Eduardo. How should I call you, Eduardo? And Daniela, who is not present, but she has done like a great job. Thank you, Daniela. You are hearing this. I will make sure to like thank you enough. Thank you, Daniela. And for the mentoring chairs, the amazing team, we have Gilberto, from Mexico, Dustin from Ecuador, and Ivan from Mexico as well. So thank you guys. I know you have done a good effort with our undergrads. So I appreciate your hard work on this side of the workshop. Money, financial shares. Thank you guys. I know it's very stressful to play with money and try to, I mean, apart from all the inconveniences we had, it seems like we are here together today. So it's great to see you all. Thank you, Lydia, Ariana, Cisco, and Miguel. Like, it was a good headache, but I am happy like to finally be here and everything is going on right. So we are fine. Last but not least, Pedro and Jose. I should say, like, in every meeting, you were the last, but like, I need to apologize, like, to everyone. Like, yeah, sorry about that. Like, we try to shuffle, like, who will talk first, but yeah, it's like last but the best, guys. Thank you for your work and all the volunteers that are here today. Thank you for your work, and let's hope for the best workshop today. Thank you, Pedro and Jose. Of course, we have our sponsors for today. So our platinum sponsor for this workshop is Google, and we have a set of bronze sponsors as well for our workshop. So Meta, Apple, Google DeepMind, DHO Research, DHO & Co, and 2 Sigma. So thank you for sponsorship. Thank you.